y'all are doing great. It is Saturday, September the 28th. Hope y'all are doing fantastic. So, I'm a little out of breath, and if you hear a roaring noise behind me, my washing machine is going. I'm washing my bedding. I'm folding laundry. I just got an Aldi delivery. I don't usually do this, however, I do not have time to go to the grocery store, and so I got online. I placed the order yesterday to be delivered between 4 and 6, and it got here at 6 o'clock, and so this is so nice. I don't have to go. The lady did a phenomenal job doing my shopping for me. There was one thing I did notice, but you know what? It's not enough to cry over, because I did not have to go to the store today and be bothered with all of this. And I have a meal plan for the next 9 days. Actually, this stuff will extend after that, but I have 9 meals planned out with this. Anyhow, I'm going to show you guys what I bought. And I bought some different things because it's fun shopping online. It's fun. Okay. So, we've got 2% milk. We've got some Texas toast. These are garlic Texas toast. Some guacamole, which I love. Some chocolate brownies. I didn't need those, but yes. Some chicken strips. Love those. I'm going to try not to get lost, so I'm going to try to go some way so that it makes sense. Let me put all the canned goods up here up front. Okay, so in the frozen, we also have some potato puffs, aka tater tots. Also got some cheese for spaghetti. We're going to have spaghetti one night. I got some Angus burgers. I've never actually purchased these before, but I've heard they're really good, so I will let you guys know. If you all have, I don't even know if I shared it with you, but I bought the Butterball turkey burgers. I will tell you, we are a fan. They are delicious, but they did not have those on the site to order. This is what I ended up with, so we got these. I think they'll be really good. 2 things of the frozen Salisbury steak. I was just trying to think super easy meals. These will keep in the freezer. Lovely, lovely. Pair it off with a vegetable. Even a baked potato or mashed potatoes. Easy, easy, right? Under here, we've got some sausage. This is going in my spaghetti. We've got some fish sticks. My husband loves fish sticks. He's like a child when you feed him. He's so easy. We've got some salami. This will be great on sandwiches. Also, I'm going to be making some mini pizzas. They did not have pepperoni, so I okayed this as a replacement. Some chicken tenders for some tortilla soup that we absolutely have been enjoying lately. And let me tear this off here. There we go. We've got some turkey breast. I love this meat. I love it. Don't ask me how I ended up ordering it this way, but I got 2 bananas. It's okay. I will make do. I've got frozen bananas for shakes, and these, I'll just do something with them. I don't know, but anyways, it's all good. Like I said, you know, it's not enough problem to complain about because I did not have to go in the store. I am thrilled to death. Mexican style cheese. 2 things of mozzarella. Love a good mozzarella cheese. Down here, I've got some garlic bread right here that goes in the freezer. We have got some pepper jack as well as some sliced mozzarella. I think this was a boo-boo on my part because I was thinking to use this on the mini pizzas instead of this. And somehow or another, it ended up ordered anyways, and that's fine. Like, we're not going to eat the cheese. Blueberries. Thing of blueberries for myself. I'm the only one who eats fruit in this house. So, this was the only thing that I seen that was bad. Can you see that onion? That's the only thing. So, it's okay, though. We're going to make do. We're going to make do with it. A naughty purchase. Don't tell anybody. Some sour cream right here. Some biscuits. And I realized that I don't usually get my stuff I order it, but something had to give this week for myself. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to place an order because I can't be everywhere at one time. So that's that. So we've got some mushroom spaghetti sauce. Y'all know I love my mushroom spaghetti sauce. Some salsa. Love myself some salsa. Let's see. I've got another spaghetti sauce right here. Same thing as that one. Let's see. Canned food. We've got some mushrooms. We have got some diced tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. Some green chilies. I've got 2 of those, I think. Yeah, no, that's not it. This is it. Green chilies. And another thing of mushrooms because I'm going to do steakums. I already have that in the freezer. And 2 things of Vienna sausages because I have to pack my lunch Wednesday. So I think that's what I'm going to do. It's not written in stone yet. But anyways, we're going to get some cheese dip for Ronnie. He's the only one that eats that. I hate this stuff, but he loves it. Some Greek yogurt. That's mine. Chocolate milk. Some cheese singles. Some whipped topping. Big thing of spaghetti. Because we never can have enough spaghetti in this house. Some marshmallows. Some Cheez-Its. This is their brand of Cheez-Its. Ronnie really likes those. A dozen eggs. Some peaches here. Thinking peaches and oatmeal this week. Oh, just sounds divine. I think I've covered everything here on the table. So over here on the chair, I've got a 10-pound bag of potatoes and some sub rolls. These are for the steakums that I'm going to make, the Philly steak sandwiches, if you don't know what a steakum is. Some white bread. Some English muffins. I'm going to make up some eggs, little egg sandwiches and put them in the freezer to eat on. And a giant bag of tortilla chips. I can't even talk. But yes, that's what we bought. I bought. And if you're curious how much all of this cost, it was $165, which I don't think was terrible. Shouldn't be that way, but it is what it is these days. I got my groceries. The girl did a fantastic job. Her little girl was with her, helping her carry this stuff up on my porch. It was adorable. And I so appreciate it because I don't have to go. But I am going to have to put all this away. So I'm going to call it a day with you all on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Are y'all making fall food? Any kind of fall recipes? Let me know. Somebody did ask me today when I was planning to start my crock pot series. I am going to plan it out, and I'm planning to do videos on it after the 7th of October. So be looking for those. I'm going to be filming after the 7th, so I'm going to get out content to you ASAP, as fast as I possibly can. So I am going to get this up. Have a wonderful evening or day whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
We stay here forever.